Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by making sure the recording is ready and accessible. Record in MP3 or M4, ASO drive, and most apps play it without conversion. Once recorded, save and name the file with a clear date and topic so you can find it later. Now open Google Drive on your device and sign in. Make sure you permit the Drive app to access files or media. This gets you straight into the location where you'll upload instead of wasting time locating the file later. Once signed in, upload the audio using the quickest method for your device. On mobile, tap the plus icon, choose Upload, and select the recording. On desktop, just drag the file into the Drive tab or use new right arrow File Upload. Make sure you put it into a dedicated folder so future searches and sharing stay tidy. If the file is very large, convert to MP3 to reduce size before uploading. Monitor the progress bar and wait until the file shows as fully synced so you don't lose work. Finish by setting access and confirming sync. You can right-click the audio, choose Share, and pick People or create a link. Select Viewer or Editor depending on whether they should download or change the file. If you need the recording on another device, enable offline for that file or use backup and sync to keep it mirrored. If something goes wrong, start with a simple fix. Check your connection, reduce file size or convert to MP3, and clear the Drive app cache. Then retry the upload to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.